Here's a text from somebody. They've been listening since 2004. They need to get a will done, and they want to really know what kind of information that they need. And Chrissy, it's really pretty basic, and for most people, this is a simple question answer, but sometimes it can be difficult. But, if we're doing a will for you, here's 3 categories we need to know. Number 1, who's going to get your money when you pass away? Number 2, who would take care of business for you if you cannot? And number 3, who would make healthcare decisions for you if you cannot make them for yourself? As far as taking care of business and healthcare decisions, ideally we have a first and second, or first, second, and third choice.
Exactly. And Tom, I think that's the thing that I know that we tell people most of the time when they ask what information can they be thinking about ahead of time, is about who would be alternates. Typically, people know right away who they would want to be in charge, but who would they want to be backups? That's what sometimes takes a little bit more thought.
Yeah. Most people have kids, and it's really quite easy, Tom, when we pass away, one end they go to our children. But I had a client yesterday that they don't have any children, don't have any close relations, and they were really unsure what happens to their wealth when they pass away. And so we couldn't start the process yesterday with them. They need to go home and think about that and kind of pin it down. But I do want to say this, that often sometimes people come to me and be unsure about it, and I can help kind of break it down for them in a way to help them, really come to some conclusions about what would be appropriate for them as far as wealth and which relations to include. Absolutely.
And Tom, also too, I spoke with a woman, which I know between the two of us, this happens, probably on a weekly basis. But I talked to a lady yesterday who did some online forms. She and her husband did the online forms, and they've now since updated them 2 or 3 times because she said the online forms, they don't ask you those questions.
Right.
And she said, so now they realize that, wow, they did that thinking that things were okay, but they really didn't think some of these things through.
Got it.